Machiegni kendo kawadhi nyime en kanyo ni jalup jatend piny mano sigana mabende wadhi yudo bang'e en ni Bethuel Ogot giko neno kow kare mogik mar yweyo e gweng' magem kaunti ma Siaya kendo jogo mano yore iko mare opare kaka jal mano kelo dongruok ahinya e historia mar oganda joluo. Ei ote mare Raila Odinga owacho ni Bethuel kata Profesa Bethuel Ogot notiyo matek mar lero ne oganda jo Kenya kod pinje moko historia mar joluo kendo ne en jal mobolore. Gavana ma Kisumu Ngire Anyang' Nyong'o kod nyawadgi ma Siaya James Orengo oywago Ogot kagi wacho ni piny Kenya owito ng'ama thuon.
Kenya and indeed the world has lost a treasure who will be deeply missed. Because of his scholarly work, we have a deep understanding of who we are as the Luo, as Kenyans, and the road we have traveled and the distance we still have to cover. In his academic work, as in his general life, Professor Ogot was authentic, deep, humble, and fiercely professional.
So today, we in the intellectual world have lost a very important sage, but as you can hear, his brother Madara is also a professor now. So it's something that the family has also impressed in encouraging members of that family to be knowledge seekers and knowledge providers.
If somebody says that the Luos have been part of the history of the cradle of knowledge from Mesopotamia to Egypt to Sudan, I am telling you that that responsibility that you have requires of you as a Luo nation, It requires of you as the Luo nation to be people who can determine the direction where the